So what is the first thing you are going to do? Just form a Venn diagram by assumption now. Form a Venn diagram by assumption. Draw a rectangle. You have let this represent our A and this represent B, simply because we have only A and B in the question. I didn't think we have C. So we assume that there is an intersection. So let this be A. You are the one forming this on your own. So let this be B and this be the universal set. Now let this place be 1. Let the intersection be 2. You can use letters too. And let 4 be neither A nor B. 4 is neither A nor B. So now if you are to write all the elements here out using roster description, you can say that set A has the elements 1 and 2. You can only find 1 and 2 in A. Then set B has the elements 2 and 3. The universal set has the whole elements, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. What are the other ones that we need? We need A complement and B complement. You can do for A complement as well. Our A complement would then be the universal set minus A. That should be 3 and 4. Then our B complement would be 1 and 4. 1 and 4. So with this available sets, we can draw the Venn diagram for all. So you can copy this before we move to the next page. So now we are asked to find A union B. We know that. Let's check the previous page. Our A is 1, 2, B is 2, 3. So the union of those two will be 1, 2, 3. So A union B is 1, 2, and 3. So now, looking at the Venn diagram that we sketched earlier, we discovered that we have something like this. We have 1 here, we have 2 here, we have 3 here, we have 4 here. This is our A, this is our B, and this is the universal set. Now, this is all you are going to do. You are going to shade wherever you find these numbers. 1, 2, 3, meaning that this part is going to be shaded for 1. 2 as well, this part is going to be shaded. 3, this part is also going to be shaded. And that is the representation of A union B. That's number 1. And number 2, we are asked to find A intersection B. A intersection B, check the previous page. Our A is 1 and 2, and B is 2 and 3. So the intersection is 2. The intersection is 2. What does that imply? That implies that if this is the assumed Venn diagram, and this is our A, why this is our B? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Then it means we are only shading this part. And that part represents A intersection B. The number 3 now, we are asked to find A union B minus A intersection B. Already we have A union B here, and we have A intersection B here. And this is different. So it means that the elements that we can find in A union B, but not in A intersection B. So what are the elements that we can find in A union B and we cannot see in A intersection B? That's 1 and 3. So to represent this on your Venn diagram, just you can look, we know that this place is 1, this place is 2, this place is 3 from the assumed Venn diagram. Then where are we to shade? Good. We are shading this one. This part will be shaded, and also this part will be shaded. And that represents A union B minus A intersection B. Number 4, we are asked to find A complement, of which we have done earlier. Our A complement is 3, 4. So let's do that. A complement is 3, 4. So what is the assumed Venn diagram? This is it. Don't mind my sketching. This is A, this is B, universal set, this is 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. Meaning that we are going to shade 4. Do not forget or be aware that this 4 represents everything outside these two oval shapes. So it means if you are shading 4, you are shading everything here. So all this outer part is going to be shaded, and we are shading 3. So if you are shading 3 alone, you don't touch 2. You shade only this part. So meaning that this part is left unshaded, and that gives us the results in total. So this diagram, or this Venn diagram, represents A complement. And number 5, we are asked to find A intersection B complement. A intersection B complement. Let's go to the previous page. Our A is 1, 2, and our B complement is 1, 4, meaning that what they have in common is just 1. So let's do that. If what they have in common is 1, then it simply means that the Venn diagram here now is this as 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my A, this is my B. So we are shading only 1. So it means we are shading only this oval shape. And that is the representation of A intersection B. For the sixth one, I have A union B complement. So if I'm to look for the union, or to determine the union of A and B complement, the B complement here is 1, 4, and A is 1, 2. So we have 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. Meaning that what we'll be shading here is 1, 2, and 4. If this is my A, this is my B. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we are shading 1, 2, and 4, meaning that the total of those parts will be shaded. 1, 2. Then the outer part will also be shaded. And you leave 3 alone because it does not include 3. So number 7, we are asked to determine A complement union B complement, which is also the same thing as A intersection B complement. These two are equal. All right, let's check that. A complement union B complement. Our A complement is 3 and 4. Then B complement is 1 and 4. If you are to look for the union of the two, 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. So meaning that this is the same thing as 1, 3, 4. So, and A intersection B, let's check this to confirm. A intersection B has 2, that's 2 in common. If the set A intersection B has only 2 as its element, then the complement of that set will be 1, 3, 4. Interesting. Then the assumed Venn diagram, do not forget. This is our 1, this is our 2, this is our 3, this is our 4. So meaning that we are shading 1, 3, and 4. This part will not be shaded. Okay, let me start with 4. This is 4, this is 1, and this is 3. Please make sure this part is untouched. This part, make sure it is untouched. All right. So, and this represents A complement union B complement. All right. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment box. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel.